going on? We're back with some trying out some vlogging videos. We're gonna trying out this Magic on a Magic 4 Pro, and we're gonna see how it goes. We're gonna try and record in 4K and in LUT mode as well if possible, and we're just gonna see how it turns out. Anyway guys, I'll see you guys there at the convention that I was talking about in the stream today, but yeah, let's see how it goes.
So we had a mission today. We were gonna go find some One Piece cards because that's been really popular for today, all card sleeves. So yeah, let's go find if they're doing any One Piece TCG card events or whatnot. But if not, we are also just there to help out our friend's store, maybe take it in shifts. But yeah, so let's explore. So I'm like completely lost. I don't know where I am. I'm trying to find my friends here and their store. But yeah, looking at the footage right now, the camera mic actually sounds really decent, and the color correction is really awesome on the log so far. But yeah, where's our friends? There's a lot of cool stores around, loads of comic stores. There are some card shops that I saw, but they didn't sell any One Piece because, you know, it's sold out everywhere anyway. So yeah, here's our friend's store. This was their table. It was pretty cool, very pink, lots of cool art and stuff. And we had a blast that day. I mean, it wasn't really that good because there wasn't any really, like, it wasn't as good as MCM Comic Con where they had a lot of event stuff, a lot of video game testing. This was just like Artist Valley, where you get to check out some artists that put up their stores and also some Kickstarter projects for animation and stuff like that. But other than that, it was kind of bare bones. I think a lot of people came for the cosplay, and yeah, and as you can see on the video, we're eating some gimbap and stuff for lunch, and then we had dinner, which was also Korean, which was kind of sad. But yeah, overall I feel like the place was not really as value as Comic-Con, unless you're like selling, you want to get like prints and merch from a specific artist. But from what I heard from my friends, that the organization was really bad. You get the store last minute, and it was overall just a kind of mess, so you can't really advertise it that too well. You just kind of go with it. But yeah, it was really cool to meet a lot of cool artists over there and get a lot of prints. But for me, it was not that worth it because there was no One Piece cards, and I'm currently very into One Piece stuff. And yeah, hopefully I don't know if I want to come here again, but we'll consider it. Maybe they have some better stuff for next time. But yeah, let's just continue on and see how it goes from here. I think at one point I just got so bored. I just told the other guy friend that was not really in the store to come with me to Westfields because yeah, there we went to Dark Sphere, which is really close by to this place in Kensington Olympia, and we can get some One Piece card games and also card sleeves and other stuff. And we went to this really cool Japan center, which sells a lot of Japanese food and snacks and stuff like that. And it was 10 times better than the convention. But you know, that convention was just not for me because it just didn't have the things that I personally wanted. But if the things that you like are there, it's a very good event. But it didn't for me, so yeah, this was way better in my opinion. But yeah. Just to show you the difference, I'm just gonna keep this in the log format, and this will allow you to see like how much the color is retained using the log mode on this phone camera. It's really nice, and yeah, I really like this phone.
This keep away, yeah. Oh, that's really cool. What's this? Hanafuda? Why does it not want to balance?
And this was our dinner. It was really nice kimchi pancakes, some fried chicken tteokbokki. A bit overpriced, but it was pretty delicious. We had the Gensen soup, and that was pretty interesting. It was pretty bland at the beginning, but then it was like really nice. And then we went to go get some brew dogs, deep fried Oreos, and yeah, we ended the day there and went home. Pretty cool. Remember, if you guys like this video, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and if you want to see some more of this amazing phone, yeah, this Honor Magic 4 Pro was pretty decent.